in the heart of the desert, sandgrouse chicks are hatching. It's safer for them to be here. But being so distant from water is a gamble. With only their mother to shield them from the sun, if they get nothing to drink, they will be dead within hours. Their only hope is their father. Every morning he makes the 120-mile round trip to get water for the family. The male snatches a drink, but he also needs to collect water for his chicks. Using specially adapted breast feathers, he can soak up water like a sponge, but it takes time, and he is in danger. Goshawk. Sandgrouse here are their main prey.